Did you know that Facebook is secretly collecting your personal data from various companies and organizations so that they can track you and give you some relevant ads? Today I'm going to show you how you can completely delete your off Facebook activity data and maintain your privacy when using the Facebook app, okay? Let's get right into it. Okay, click on the Facebook application. Now click on your profile picture. Then under settings and privacy, click settings, okay? Then you'll want to scroll down. Just scroll down until you see this place for off Facebook activity. Click on it, okay? Then click continue, okay? Then you will see the recent activity that have been sent to Facebook from different websites and companies. This is very ridiculous. Click on the arrow button there, okay? Now you will see the companies that are sending your data to Facebook. For instance, these are the companies that have been sending my data to Facebook. Just look at all those companies. This is very bad. Just look at it, okay? These are various companies that are secretly sending my data to Facebook without my knowledge. Look at it. This is very bad. Now you want to delete all this data that has been sent to Facebook so that you remain private when browsing through Facebook, okay? Then you want to clear previous activity, just like this. Clear previous activity, okay? Then go back. Now here I have no available activity to show at this time, okay? After clearing the activities, you want to manage future activities. Click here. Then you will disconnect future activity, okay? With this, businesses and organizations will not send your interaction with them to Facebook. Okay, click continue, okay? Then disconnect future activity, okay? Okay, with this, Facebook will not track me when I'm not using the application. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.